Imagine being at the best party of your life. The music is pulsating, people are laughing, and you're not just having fun, you're also burning calories and enhancing your health. Welcome to the world of Zumba, the fitness phenomenon that has transformed the concept of exercise into a global dance party. Now, imagine that this isn't just an occasional Saturday night, but a daily boost to your life, a rejuvenating escape that tones your body as it lifts your spirits. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up because you're about to dive into the vibrant world of Zumba. Whether you think you can dance or you think you can't, Zumba doesn't care. It's not about perfect moves, it's about moving. And not only will you move, but you might just find yourself in the best shape of your life, laughing your way through each session as you samba, salsa, and merengue your way to a healthier you. What is Zumba? When Alberto Beto Perez forgot his regular aerobics music tape and had to improvise with salsa and merengue music he had in his car, little did he know that he was about to revolutionize the fitness industry. That day, in the mid-90s in Colombia, Zumba was born. A blend of Latin dance moves and aerobics that's now a staple in gyms worldwide. A typical Zumba class is a fusion of high-energy music and choreographed dance moves drawn from samba, salsa, merengue, and mambo, occasionally mixed with martial arts, belly dancing, and Bollywood beats. It's not just a dance class, it's a cardio party that everyone's invited to. Zumba's appeal lies in its fun atmosphere and the infectious energy of the group setting, where every session feels like a celebration rather than a workout. Don't worry about your dance skills. It's all about the joy of movement and the communal vibe of dancing away your worries and calories. Health benefits of Zumba. Jumping into a Zumba class might feel like stepping into a dance festival, but the benefits go far beyond the fun. Regular Zumba participants often see significant improvements in cardiovascular health due to its high-intensity aerobic nature, which helps increase heart rate and maintain it at a calorie-burning level. Moreover, Zumba acts as a stress reliever. The rhythms and movements serve as a form of expressive therapy, improving your mood and reducing anxiety levels. It's a mental detox as much as it is a physical workout, letting you salsa away your stress. Weight loss and muscle toning also rank high on Zumba's list of benefits. The dance moves are designed to target different muscle groups, with a particular focus on the hips and midsection, helping to strengthen the core and improve posture. Zumba makes you work up a sweat, but it's so enjoyable that you barely notice the exertion. The science behind Zumba. Ever wondered what happens to your body during a Zumba class? Let's break it down scientifically. When you're grooving to the beat, your body is undergoing a complex process of aerobic and anaerobic energy, which enhances your endurance and strengthens your cardiovascular system. Several studies have pointed out the effectiveness of Zumba as an exercise. For instance, a 2012 study published in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine observed significant improvements in aerobic capacity and body weight among female college students after a 12-week Zumba intervention. This isn't just dancing. It's a scientifically proven method of maintaining fitness. Zumba also offers a higher caloric burn due to its fast-paced intervals mixed with slower rhythms, which is more effective than steady-state cardio exercises like jogging. This mix not only improves cardiovascular health, but also boosts metabolic rate, which can aid in long-term weight management and muscle toning. One of the most beautiful aspects of Zumba is its universality. Whether you're 8 or 80, a newbie or a seasoned gym goer, Zumba welcomes all. Classes can be adapted to any fitness level, and instructors often offer modifications for different abilities in the same session. For those concerned about the intensity, Zumba Gold targets older adults with modified moves that provide the same zest at a gentler pace. For the younger crowd or those looking for a challenge, Zumba Step incorporates step aerobics, increasing the intensity and focus on the legs and gluteus muscles. The inclusivity of Zumba also shines through in its community. It's not uncommon to see diverse groups bonding over shared dance routines, creating a supportive and motivating environment that transcends the typical workout class dynamic. Zumba isn't just a fitness class, it's a cultural movement. From the United States to Japan, this dance fitness craze has taken the world by storm, creating a global community of enthusiasts. Zumba classes are now offered in over 180 countries, and the numbers are still growing. Each region brings its unique flair to Zumba. In India, Bollywood beats are a common addition, while in the Middle East, belly dancing moves spice up the sessions. These cultural crossovers not only enrich the Zumba experience, but also foster a greater understanding and appreciation of global dance traditions. Fun fact, did you know that there are over 15 million people taking weekly Zumba classes globally? That's more than the population of some countries. Imagine a workout that not only reshapes your body, but also transforms your life. Zumba has countless testimonies from individuals who have experienced profound changes. Take Maria, a mother of two, who lost 50 pounds and gained a newfound confidence through her weekly Zumba classes. Then there's John, who combated severe depression by joining Zumba. The vibrant music and supportive community helped him find joy and purpose again, illustrating how Zumba goes beyond physical health, touching lives on a deeply emotional level. These stories are not rare. They are woven into the fabric of Zumba. Each class represents a personal journey, a step toward not just better physical health, but also mental and emotional well-being. The digital revolution has made Zumba more accessible than ever. With the rise of online fitness, Zumba classes can now be streamed from anywhere in the world, allowing you to dance it out from the comfort of your living room. Zumba's digital presence extends to apps and video games like Zumba Fitness, which bring the dance workout directly to your gaming console, complete with calorie tracking and real-time feedback. This adaptability keeps the Zumba community connected, even when they can't meet on the dance floor. Moreover, virtual Zumba events have become popular, where thousands of participants shake it up in synchrony from different corners of the world, showcasing the unifying power of dance and fitness. Thinking of joining a Zumba class? Here's how to breeze through your first session. First, wear comfortable clothing and supportive shoes. You're going to move a lot, and proper attire will enhance your experience. Don't worry about nailing every move. Zumba is all about personal expression. Focus on enjoying the music and keeping up with the rhythm. Your moves will get sharper with time. Lastly, bring a friend. Zumba is more fun when shared, and having a buddy alongside you can make the experience even more enjoyable. Plus, it's a fantastic way to make sure you stick to your fitness goals. For those who have fallen in love with Zumba and are looking to intensify their workout, there are plenty of options. Zumba toning, for example, incorporates weights to help tone and sculpt the body while you dance. Aqua Zumba takes the party to the pool, offering a low-impact, high-resistance workout that is both challenging and exhilarating. For the competitive souls, Zumba competitions are a thing. Participants showcase their flair and fitness, turning their Zumba routine into a performance. Whether it's for fun or medals, these events bring out the best in the Zumba community, highlighting the creativity and energy that Zumba embodies. What does the future hold for this dynamic fitness movement? As technology advances, so does Zumba. Virtual reality, VR. Zumba classes might soon be a regular feature, offering even more immersive and interactive experiences. New trends like Strong by Zumba combine high-intensity interval training with the traditional music-led approach, targeting those looking for tougher workouts. As long as people are looking for fun, inclusive and effective ways to stay fit, Zumba will continue to evolve and inspire. The evolution of Zumba is a testament to its foundational promise-making fitness fun. As it adapts to modern demands, one thing remains constant. Zumba is here to stay, bringing joy and health to millions. As we've seen, Zumba is not merely a dance class. It's a holistic fitness phenomenon that nourishes the body, mind, and spirit. From its humble beginnings to a global movement, Zumba has proven that incorporating joy and community into exercise can transform lives. If you're looking for a workout that feels more like a celebration, Zumba is your go-to. It's a place where calories are burned, friendships are formed, and life is celebrated with every beat. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the festive world of Zumba and dance your way to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.